Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to record your screen using Microsoft's Clipchamp. So I've got Clipchamp loaded in here in my web browser, and as you can see my current media is empty and so is my timeline. So to fix that and we want to create something original, we're going to move over to the record and create tab, which you can find at the left hand side of your screen. So here you're going to see a few options, whether you want to record both your screen and your camera, just your screen, or just audio. So in this case, I'm going to be going with screen. I'm going to give it a click and it's going to ask you for permissions. So I'm going to choose allow while using this site and you're going to be able to start screen recording. So you can choose to either record a single tab in your web browser, a specific window, or your entire screen. I'm going to choose entire screen, and you're going to want to check also share system audio, especially if you're working with something that has audio. Like for example, you want to showcase a video or a game on your device. The audio isn't going to be recorded unless this option is ticked. So I'm going to click on screen, make sure this is enabled, and now I can click on share. So as you can see, right now it's recording. I can close this. So as you can see, right now it's recording. And now I can minimize my Google Chrome and do whatever it is that I wanted to show. So you're also going to see here at the bottom of your screen, app.clipchamp.com is sharing your screen and audio. Don't worry about that. It won't be picked up by the recording. And if ever you'd like to stop sharing, that's all you have to do. Click on stop sharing. So as you can see, right now it's recording. I can close this. So as you can see, right now it's recording. And now I can minimize my Google Chrome and do whatever it is that I wanted to show. So once you're done recording, you're going to see a preview of your video. You can skip through it a little bit, just double check everything is working. And at the bottom, you're going to see two options. You can either retake the recording or you can save it and use it in your editing. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on save. And now it's stored in the My Media tab and it has automatically been moved to my timeline. So if I ever still wanted to make some adjustments to the recording, I can do so here in the timeline. Like let's say I want to cut out this part in the middle. I'm going to use the split tool to do so. I'm going to press delete and make sure there are no gaps in my video. And now, once that's done, I am fully prepared to export this as a finished video by clicking on the bottom at the top right. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.